Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And here's Bumble. And today we are going to be doing, you guessed it, a flip through of the Dog Lover planner for 2021. This is a classic happy planner vertical layout. It's really, really cute, so I can't wait for you to see it. So if you'd like to see that, stay tuned. Okay, Bumble, what do you think? You think we should open this? She's like, I don't care, Mom. I don't care. So, like I said, this is a vertical happy planner. We've got the black discs here. And it says, hello, dog lover. This happy planner belongs to Bumble. So cute with the polka dots and the little paw prints. They're a little small though for you. Boop, 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 boop. Nope, too small. Okay. So here we have your calendar for 2021, 2022 with these cute dog bones. It's very colorful along the spine there. Really, really cute. I like how this is like a different color for each month. I think that's really pretty. And then we have the paw prints there. Just something different. Okay, but the interesting thing about this planner is that even though it's very colorful and cute, it's also extremely neutral. And I found that to be really interesting. I'm not sure why they did it that way for this planner and the cat planner in particular, but I really like that they did. So this one, here's the currently page for January. They're all gonna look the same. They're black and white. They're very basic. They're very, very neutral, and you can do whatever you want with these. So January divider has some purple foiling paw prints on the purple foil paw prints. I didn't choose my dog chose me. Did you choose me, Bumble? I think you did. I think you did. Okay, so as you can see, really neutral, right? I kind of like the way this looks, this font. And look at this, very neutral, black and white. We've got the black discs with it too, so it's really cool. And up here, this little shading on December and January is just a very soft gray. I do like the font that's here with these numbers. It's just a little bit different in notes here. You do have the graph on the sidebar, but it's very subtle and it's black and white, so no big deal. And these are just subtle lines, really, really neutral, no lines here. I really, really like this layout. So it's gonna be the same thing every week. I'm gonna put her down because she's like, Mom, what are you doing? Okay, you go see Allie. All right, so here is February, best friend. So it's really colorful, and yet at the same time, it's really neutral. And all these months are going to be the same. You had me at woof. Cold nose, warm heart. Let's see. This is like blue foil. I just want to stay home and hang out with my dog. My dog is my best friend. I'm happily owned by a dog. Live, love, bark. I didn't choose my dog chose me. My dog has my heart. And then we have those cute little dog illustrations that we've seen on the sticker packs. And here's some little gold foil paw prints. Love is a wagging tail. That's so cute. The green and pink. Love that. Life is a party. Me plus dog. This is like a blue foil. Forever in my heart. Simple and cute. I just want to stay home and hang out with my dog. That is me most of the time. And then here's just the back. We have this like rainbow shading here, and then just that little girl with her dog. It's really simple and pretty and cute. And then the back is just gonna be, the back is just like these rainbow stripes. So I think it's really, really cute. It's, again, the inside pages are neutral, so I think this might be my planner for 2021. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure that out, but it's definitely like a possibility. It's in the running. So let me know in the comments what you think. I believe that the cat lover planner is going to be really, really similar, the same inside pages, the same weekly pages. So if you're a cat lover, there's one for you too. So I will link this in the description box below, and I'll also put my affiliate link in there for just the general Happy Planner link. Either way, it's my affiliate link, but I would appreciate it if you're going to shop on Thursday, if you'd use my link, because that just helps me out a little bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next flip through. Bye.